Hey guys, I just wanted to share an experience that I had recently. My neighbor had a contractor come to his house. I guess he was having some work done or something. And so he was standing at the front door waiting on my neighbor to come down. And I was outside taking the screw out of my Ring camera because I had an email notification from the Ring team saying that my battery needed to be charged. Now, I had bought a second battery because I have kids that occasionally have to be home after school or things like that. So I didn't want to run the risk of not having a fully charged battery at my front door at all times. So I was changing the battery and he just stood there and watched me and he was like, "I'm sorry, I don't mean to stare, but you would be surprised how many phone calls I get from people who just need to have this done and they won't do it themselves." So I wanted to challenge us today to just take the moment to learn. It's not very difficult. It's a really quick process. So I wanted to take a quick moment just to show you how we get this done. These are the tools you'll need. This came with the Ring camera. If you don't still have yours, Amazon does sell them. You do need them because they are a special tool. It's not your just an average screwdriver. And then this is my fully charged battery. Shows you on the back about battery charging or whatever. I also super recommend this little thing. It is wonderful because it tells you once you plug it in that your battery needs to be charged. So it's on red. As soon as it's fully charged, it turns green like you see on this side. Of course, nothing's plugged in here. I only bought one battery, not two. So we're just gonna come out here, and if you look underneath here, there's a little screw. All you're gonna do is take your thing here, unscrew it like so. Once you remove the screw, you're going to just pull this off. It comes literally right off of here. And there's a thing here that says push. You're going to push and remove the old battery. You're going to take your new battery and stick it right back up in there. It's gonna light up, letting you know that everything is working. You're gonna put your thing back on. Again, it snaps right on, pulls right off, snaps right on. Get your screw, screw it back in under the bottom, and you are all set. Works just fine.